Hi everyone, if you're wondering how to see mutual friends on Snapchat, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into it. Open your Snapchat app and navigate to the chat folder. Click on the Add Person button in the top right corner. This will take you to a page where you can find friends in the quick and list, which recommendation based on friends of your friends. While this is a helpful feature to discover new connection, is not exactly mutual friends. To attempt finding mutual friends, open someone's profile and from there, click on the icon. Unfortunately, Snapchat doesn't provide a feature to display mutual friends or the friends list of specific users. It prioritizes user privacy, ensuring that site information isn't shared on the platform. So, if you're looking for mutual friends, your best bet is to ask your friends directly about the connections. Snapchat doesn't facilitate this information sharing for privacy reasons. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing. Goodbye, and I hope this clarified how to approach mutual friends on Snapchat.